We have the right side. It looks like I have my life together. And then we have the left side, like I just argued with humidity and lost. Wait, why is it forming so easily? I tried finger coiling with this curl cream by Brazy, and my curls came out so defined. But there's one thing nobody warned me about. It had me looking a little mature. Stay till the end because I need to know, is it just me or does this happen to you as well? Let's be honest. Finger coiling sounds cute until you realize you have a whole head to do. Who has the time? Who approved this? I used to think finger coiling was for people with patience, no responsibilities, and upper body strength. But today, I'm going to show you exactly how I do it and whether it's worth it. We're testing this curl cream from Brazy Curls. I found them on TikTok because apparently it's supposed to make finger coiling easier and softer. And I don't trust anything that sounds too good to be true. Because we live in a world of scammers. Everyone wants to give you money. Have you paid your debts? You know the calls we get all the time? And as Zimbabweans, bribery and scamming is like everyday business. So I had to test this. Step 1. First of all, section your hair. And don't be like me trying to freestyle. That's how you end up stressed. I always start at the back of my head because it will show me how good the product is, what I need, if I need more product, more water. And if you don't know how to finger coil, if you start at the back, no one's going to see those curls. By the time you get to the front, you're a pro. I make 5 big sections, so 3 in the front and 2 at the back. I work from the back of my head all the way to the front. Step 2, re-wet your hair. My spray bottle, I tell you, is my best friend. Sometimes I add tea tree oil, I add eucalyptus, peppermint. Like it just soothes the scalp with water. I don't add a leave-in or anything like that to the spray bottle. You have to be careful with these spray bottles because it gets clogged so easily. Just a few drops of an oil is enough. I find with the curl cream, if my hair is dry, my curls don't act as well as they could. Step 3, detangle. Obviously, this one I have to do. Otherwise, the knots. Even if I've detangled in the shower, I've got to detangle again when I style my hair. And step 4, finally, finger coiling. I'm going to demonstrate exactly how I do it. So I take a small section, however big you want it to be. If you have wavy hair, type 2, bigger sections are best. Type 4 hair, smaller sections are the best. Type 3, medium size. It all depends on how you want your curls to look. Super definition, the smaller the section, the better. Wrap it around your index finger or your middle finger, whatever feels comfortable. I use my middle finger and support it with my index finger. All the way down to the bottom of your hair, twist and let go. Let it flow. I'm not even halfway through. Why does our hair always look so good when we're not going anywhere? Who gave me permission to have definition like this? Okay. The definition? Insane. My curls feel so soft, like not crunchy, not stiff, with a slight cast. And it actually looks like my natural curl pattern, but upgraded. I was not expecting this level of definition. Little secret, I find if you try finger coiling with any product, it makes a difference. Say the product isn't working well, finger coil. Say that particular straight bit just won't curl, finger coil. Say there's too much frizz, finger coil. I'm telling you, it works with a gel, a cream, anything. It works. Why do my curls look a little gray? Oh, no flakes, nothing crunchy, but it's giving a little bit of a white residue. Can you see? I saw this when it was wet, but I didn't expect it when it was dry. Usually this happens with products, but when it dries, it goes. My curls lasted all week. The definition stayed, the softness stayed. It just looks like I had life experience I didn't sign up for. So would I use it again? Absolutely yes, because that was only day 1. By day 2, the white was gone. Can you see? And I know what you're going to say. You used too much product. I don't think I did with this one. Okay, I am guilty. I always use too much product. But this time, I don't think I actually did. So have you ever had this happen to you? I need to know, am I alone? However, my results, look at the curl definition. My goodness, I am happy, more than happy. I couldn't ask for better results. From a curl cream that lasts all week, come on. I guess I wasn't scammed. Thanks so much for watching Coils by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not hit the bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching Coils by Sharlene, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.